Do you think you're eating healthy? It's a question we often ask ourselves, isn't it? As we navigate the ever-expanding landscape of food and nutrition, it's easy to be swayed by labels that promise health and vitality. But are we truly understanding what we consume? In this world of marketing gimmicks and food fads, it's essential to peel back the layers, to dig deeper and decipher the truth behind those healthy food labels. Many foods we perceive as healthy may not be as beneficial as we believe. They might be dressed up with appealing labels and descriptions, but what lies beneath the surface could be a different story altogether. So, we're here to clear the air, to help you make informed decisions about what's on your plate. To do this, we'll take a closer look at 10 foods often touted as healthy. Stay tuned as we debunk 10 popular healthy foods that may not be so healthy after all. At number 10, we have granola. Often hailed as a healthful snack, granola can sometimes be a wolf in sheep's clothing. While it's true that granola can be packed with fiber and protein, it can also be loaded with hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. These sneaky additives can quickly transform this seemingly healthy snack into a calorie bomb, undermining its nutritional benefits. So, the next time you reach for that granola bar, remember to check the label. Coming in at number 9, fruit juices. It's easy to believe that fruit juices are a healthy choice. After all, they come from fruit, right? However, even those without added sugars can be a hidden source of high-calorie intake. Why? Because they lack the fiber found in whole fruits, which helps you feel full and aids digestion. So, while they may be tasty, they don't offer the same nutritional benefits. Whole fruits are always a healthier choice compared to fruit juices. Number 8 on our list, low-fat foods. Now, it's a common misconception that low-fat equals healthy, but let's debunk that myth. Many low-fat foods try to make up for the lack of taste by adding sugars or other unhealthy ingredients. It's a sneaky trade-off that can do more harm than good. So next time you reach for that low-fat yogurt or dressing, think twice. You might be better off with the full-fat version. Remember, not all fats are bad, and some are even essential for our health. At number 7, we have gluten-free foods. This label has become a health buzzword, often confused with healthy. While these foods are vital for those suffering from celiac disease, for others, they offer no special health benefits. In fact, they may lack essential nutrients found in foods with gluten. Gluten-free doesn't necessarily mean good for you. It's a medical diet for a specific condition, not a free pass to optimal health. So remember, unless prescribed by a doctor, there's no need to go gluten-free. At number 6, it's diet soda. Now, you might think that diet soda, with its promise of 0 calories, is a healthier option. However, these fizzy drinks house artificial sweeteners that can play tricks on your body. They stimulate your taste buds to think you're consuming real sugar, which can trigger sugar cravings. Consequently, you might end up consuming more calories and potentially gaining weight. So, despite its seemingly guilt-free label, diet soda may not be your best bet. It's best to stick to water or unsweetened tea for your hydration. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have protein bars. They may seem like a healthy choice loaded with proteins, but did you know they can also be packed with sugars and calories? Yes, indeed, some protein bars are more akin to candy bars than health foods. They're often loaded with artificial sweeteners and preservatives, making them far from the ideal protein source. Always check the nutritional facts before relying on protein bars for your protein intake. Coming in at number 4, salads. Now you might be thinking, salads really? But here's the catch. While a salad packed with fresh veggies can be a superfood powerhouse, it can quickly turn into a calorie bomb once you start adding creamy dressings, crunchy croutons, and generous sprinkles of cheese. It's like hiding a villain behind a hero's mask. So, while indulging in a salad, keep an eye on those sneaky additives. Remember, not all salads are created equal. Number 3 on our list, yogurt. This creamy delight, often associated with good health, can sometimes be a wolf in sheep's clothing. Many varieties, particularly the flavored ones, are packed with sugars while offering minimal protein. This combination can lead to energy crashes and does little to keep you satiated, but don't let this deter you from all yogurts. Seek out those rich in protein and low in added sugars, turning this potential pitfall into a healthful ally. Look for yogurts that are high in protein and low in added sugars. At number 2, we have smoothies. Often viewed as a healthy choice, store-bought smoothies can sometimes be deceiving. They may be packed with fruits, but they also can contain high amounts of sugar and calories. You see, many store-bought smoothies are made with sweetened fruit juices, ice cream, or even sweetened yogurt. This can quickly turn your healthy drink into a calorie-dense dessert. So if you're a smoothie lover, consider making them at home, where you have control over the ingredients. Making your own smoothies at home can be a healthier alternative. And the number one healthy food that may not be so healthy is multigrain bread. You see, the term multigrain can be quite misleading. While it simply means that the bread contains more than one type of grain, it doesn't necessarily mean that those grains are whole. Whole grains are the ones that include all parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. Foods made from these grains are rich in fiber, protein, and other essential nutrients. But when grains are refined to make, say, multigrain bread, the most nutritious parts of the grain are often removed. So what you're left with is a loaf that might have multiple types of grains, but not the full nutritional benefits of whole grains. It's a subtle distinction that can make a big difference to your health. So the next time you're in the bread aisle, don't be fooled by the multigrain label. Always look for whole grain over multigrain when choosing your bread. So there you have it, 10 healthy foods that may not be so healthy after all. We've navigated the aisles of granola, fruit juices, low-fat and gluten-free foods, to diet sodas, protein bars, salads, yogurt, smoothies, and multigrain bread. Each one, although often marketed as a beacon of health, may harbor hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. The truth is, there's no silver bullet in our quest for health. It lies in understanding what we consume, reading labels, and making informed decisions about our diet. Let's remind ourselves that the most vibrant and healthy foods often don't come with labels: fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. So let's be savvy consumers, not falling for marketing hype, but instead choosing real whole foods that nourish and sustain us. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is balance, variety, and moderation. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.